The demand for portable kitchen gadgets continues to grow, especially for people with busy lifestyles. Smoothies, protein shakes, and healthy drinks are now part of daily routines. However, traditional blenders are bulky and not convenient for travel. This is where the Portable Cordless Personal Blender for Smoothies stands out. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this compact blender offers a powerful solution for blending drinks anywhere. It combines portability with performance, making it ideal for fitness enthusiasts, office workers, and travelers. With a sleek design and an 18-ounce capacity, it allows users to prepare fresh drinks in seconds. More importantly, its cordless design means it can be used almost anywhere without being tied to a power outlet. One of the most interesting features of this portable blender is its innovative reversing technology. Unlike standard personal blenders that spin in a single direction, this device alternates the blade direction during the blending cycle. As a result, ingredients move more efficiently inside the container. This smart feature helps prevent jams and ensures smoother blending. Even thick ingredients can mix evenly without the need for constant shaking. In addition, the blender is equipped with strong stainless steel blades that can easily crush ice and frozen fruits. Whether it's frozen berries, ice cubes, or fibrous greens like kale, the blender handles them with ease. For best results, the manufacturer recommends starting with at least 200 milliliters of liquid. Once the ingredients are added, the process is simple. Users just double-press the power button and then start blending. Performance is another strong point of this portable blender. It runs on a powerful 11.1-volt, 120-watt motor that delivers impressive results for such a compact device. Within about 40 seconds, the blender can transform fruits, ice, and protein powder into a smooth drink. Therefore, it becomes a perfect tool for quick morning smoothies before heading out the door. Charging the blender is also very convenient. It uses a modern USB-C charging system, which means it can be powered by a laptop, power bank, or even a car charger. A full charge takes roughly 2 hours, allowing users to keep the blender ready for daily use. This feature makes it especially useful for travel, outdoor activities, and long workdays. Another reason this blender stands out is its thoughtful design for everyday convenience. The slim body fits easily into most car cup holders, making it perfect for commuting, gym sessions, or road trips. Additionally, the blender includes a practical straw access lid, allowing users to drink directly from the container after blending. This eliminates the need for extra cups or bottles. Cleaning the blender is also simple and quick. Users only need to add water and a drop of soap, then run a blending cycle for self-cleaning. Furthermore, the device features an IPX6 waterproof rating, so it can safely be rinsed under running water. Overall, this portable cordless blender offers a balanced mix of power, portability, and convenience, making it a practical choice for anyone who wants fresh smoothies anytime and anywhere.